Hello everyone, this is my review of this mini portable 1080p LED projector. It comes with your audio video cable, power cord, and a remote. The projector has manual controls on the top, so if you don't have the remote to lose your remote, you can still operate it. You can adjust the focus here on the side with the lever. You have multiple ports on it, HDMI, USB, audio, video, and micro SD, so you can stick a micro card in there. Also have a jack for headphones if you like to use the headphones. It also has big built-in speakers on it. Okay, I'm gonna hook it up now so you can see the sound quality and the picture quality, and I hope that this view helps.